If your Pinterest ads feel inconsistent or it feels like very confusing and you just cannot get it consistent, the fix usually isn't more testing or throwing more budget, but usually the fix is actually starting to target the right people and connecting with that audience. Pinterest starts performing best when an account is really simplified, very intentional, and really focused, so very clean. And I'm going to show you exactly how to structure my favorite campaigns that I use with ecom brands to get results really fast. So over the past 5 years, I have simplified a ton of Pinterest ads accounts, and the ones I saw performing the best, the fastest, were always the ones that were just using this simple two-step campaign and build on top of that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up these campaigns for your own brand and how you can start seeing results really fast too. So the first campaign that has a very specific job, and that is finding buyers. And you're going to do this by creating a campaign that is really targeting people who are showing search intent on Pinterest. So what you're going to do is do some proper audience research. And you probably already know your customer. You know it better than I do because you should be really intimate with them, like knowing what their problem is, how they're talking about the solution your product offers, how they're talking about the problems in their own words, and also the words they're using to describe your product, the benefits they love, the benefits they think they need, but the benefits they're actually looking for, the emotional charge, etc. And once you really know all these things in their own words, you can start grabbing like the biggest overall categories and use those as keywords in Pinterest. Simply type them into the search bar and see what high performing keywords are popping up and pick those keywords that show purchase intent. So people looking for gifts, people looking for products with very specific benefits. In this way, you're going to signal very directly to Pinterest, okay, these are the people who I know are very intentional about purchasing. Your campaign will only spend whenever people are actually searching for those terms and typing in those keywords. So you're not wasting any money on people looking for aesthetics or inspiration or ideas. And you're really targeting those people who are showing, okay, I'm ready. I'm shopping on Pinterest. I'm looking for this solution. I'm looking for a fix right now. And that is a very powerful way to structure your campaign and really show up in front of those specific people. And if you combine this with creating pins that are really product centered, really speak to people ready to purchase. So don't shy away from a call to action on the pin, naming some benefits and being really clear and intentional about what this pin is, leading it directly to a product page so people can actually do the purchase when they click on the pin. And this way, you're really setting up this campaign to target people who are ready to do a purchase and to target people who are looking for a specific solution. And this way, you're really helping Pinterest to understand who your customer is because you're going to see conversions. And it's kind of like a fast track to conversions. And from that place, you can start scaling if this campaign is really successful. This is like the base focus of letting Pinterest algorithm understand your customer. Then the campaign I stack on top of it is just a simple retargeting campaign. So you want to retarget with a conversion campaign, again, your site visitors, but also those people who engage with the pins from that top of funnel campaign or that purchase traffic campaign. And you want to retarget those people who engage with these pins, who save the pins, who click on the pins, etc. Because those are people who are using the search terms, who are looking for the fix, and who are really open to do a purchase. They are showing the intent of taking that next step. And by showing up in front of these people over and over again, this retargeting campaign is really going to catch those people who were looking to do a purchase and then got distracted, or something else came up, or doubt creeped in, and they need a little bit more time. And you're creating that safety net underneath that campaign that is really targeting shoppers. If you combine these two campaigns, you are definitely set up for success. And especially those retargeting campaigns, the pins you want to create in there, you can really lean into that sales component, showing different benefits, showing that emotion, really calling out to take action. Tell them to shop now, tell them to discover more, learn more. Maybe even use a discount code or something like a buy two, get three or something to just give that extra nudge into the direction of converting. And this will really give that extra layer and really speak to those people who are actually ready to do a purchase, because people don't really mind when they're on a platform if you're selling them something, as long as they are actually looking for it. And this, like, people love from Pinterest that it's less intrusive than Facebook and Instagram. It's still like there's so many ads there, but it doesn't really matter because you want to be blending in natively with the platform and connecting with those people are really ready to take the next step. So setting up these two campaigns and you're going to be golden. Creating those pins that fit those campaigns, and stop overcomplicating things for yourself. So make sure to bang out some pins and just start testing them. See, okay, is it converting? If it's not, move on to the next type of ad creative. But don't test too many things like we discussed in the previous video. Pick your bestseller or the thing that you want to purchase and focus on that one product so you can really start optimizing your campaign, your targeting, and also your product page once you know that you're getting quality traffic. And if you have this two-step set of campaigns set up, it's going to be so much easier to start scaling because Pinterest already knows your customer. So if you're going to be targeting with a new angle, or maybe with broader interest or performance plus, Pinterest already has a very good idea of, okay, who are those people who are bringing in a good ROAS? Who are those people who are doing a ton of conversions? And this will really help set up your Pinterest account for success. So if you want to see the full setup, make sure to watch the tutorial underneath this video. I'll leave it in the description. And if you want any help with setting this up, make sure to check out the options in the description box below as well, because I'm happy to help you succeed with Pinterest. And I would love to see your ecom brand be super successful on the platform. And I will see you in the next video.